So I just decided that tomorrow I will have a photo shoot with myself and this dress. I'm gonna edit pictures and all that stuff, so it's going to look a little more old, but yes, this is the first time I'm wearing this dress because I really didn't think about it for a long time. It just was in the wardrobe. I took it with me for exactly photos, so here we go. Okay, so I am going out now and shooting some more pictures in the dress I showed you yesterday. And yeah, the most important thing you need to do for shooting is planning. Like, what clothes are you going to wear? Are you gonna change your clothes? Yeah, and also like what things to take with you. Take a bag with you, it's always so important. And a towel, because if you sit on something weird, you can place your towel on there and then your clothes are not getting dirty or anything. Yeah, and then take your not alive Instagram husband with you. This thing, a tripod, of course the camera. And if you have a special lighting that you want to use, you should also take that with you. And an extra battery for your camera is always good. I'm gonna go now. This is a very wide dress, so I have to be careful with the mud. I hope there is nothing on it. But yeah, I'm just going to go into the woods now. So we are at my 4th location now. I'm just gonna search for a good place to place my camera and tripod, and yeah, then we're gonna shoot some more. I will show you the pictures I did after this video, and also like how I placed my tripod. I forgot it at the first 3 locations, I'm sorry, but this I'm not gonna forget it. Yeah, so let's do this. Okay, so I chose this location because I thought it was pretty cute. I want to do some portraits, so this fallen tree is like perfect. It has really nice things attached to it, and yeah, my camera is like that. I can go back a little so you can see it more. And I'm gonna sit there, and I'm gonna put my scarf there so my dress doesn't get dirty or anything, because I want to do some more pictures. Like, you can always wash your dresses, so it's not a big problem. But yeah, maybe I will do some here too because it looks really cool, but I'm not so sure about that yet. And yeah, I'm gonna do those pictures now. Maybe I can place my phone somewhere here so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, I'm gonna look at the pictures now, and I hope they turned out good. Oh my god, this is not great with one hand. Okay, so let's do this. Oh, this looks great. I don't know if you can see it because of mirroring and that stuff. Oh my god, they look pretty good. I hope I can zoom in on those. I did where I put my dress up so it doesn't look that weird, but yeah, those are good. We can go to the next location now. Oh, and of course, most photographers, and also me, edit their pictures so they look different in the raw and then after they have been edited. So I'm thinking of showing you how I edit. It's not very professional because I do it on my phone. I get things better done with my phone. So yeah, but I am currently learning to use GIMP, which is an photo editing app for the computer. So yeah, hopefully I'll get a little more professional soon. Yeah. Okay, so this location where we are heading to now is going to be my last, I think. It's pretty far away, but it's my favorite street, kind of, in the middle of the woods. Yeah. Maybe I will go to the lake too, but I'm not so sure about that yet. Well, we'll see. I also don't know if I will shoot another set of pictures with another outfit, because I only took one with me. We'll see about that. But the weather is so nice at the moment, so maybe I will do that. I will show the best pictures I did here, so yeah. Not only that, from the one photo location are shown, I will show them probably before I edited them and after I edited them. I don't know what I'm going to edit them as. Maybe some are also going to be fairy tale pictures, because I want to try out this mystic fairy tale-ish look, and maybe also edit some animals or something to my pictures. So yes, nice. Okay, so I'm heading back now. There is my favorite street, maybe you can see it. And yeah, I need to go through really high snow again. All for the gram though, you know. Yeah, but seriously, I am so weird when taking pictures with strangers, or like other people in general, even my close friends. But when I'm alone, I'm like, yeah, let's try this pose. Maybe this will look good. And all that. Oh my god. There was some moves coming offs. Yeah. So, I don't know. I just think I'm an awkward person with others, but really content with myself. Well, now that we are in quarantine, that is okay. Introverts be like, this is my normal lifestyle. Yeah. But let's see. But look at the sky today. Oh my god, it's so blue. It's so pretty. I love it. I love it so much. So we are here now. I did pictures over there at the shore. I did not go onto the lake because the ice is melting. You can see it there. It is all water, and that is not safe to go on. Who would have thought? Yeah. And I'm guessing I'm heading home now. It is time. Yeah, so I will just do some color correction and darker and lighter contrast, and make the colors brighter so it's not that big of a change to the picture. Yeah, you can also see like what I do on the screen, of course. Wow, that was pretty weird for me to say. Yeah. But it is really not that much editing. So after the next picture, here I cropped out some parts of the picture because I didn't want people to see what I am wearing under the dress, even though you can see my underwear or something. That would just be super weird, and it also didn't look that good. So I kind of wanted to give it a shape of looking good. Yeah. And then I just mixed make I just made the oh my god, I'm so sorry. This is my first time doing this. I just made the contrast and color brightening a little so they pop more. And yeah, did I do something else? Oh yes, I shadowed it a little. Like I put some more shadow in there and brightened it up also. So yeah, there we go. You can see before and after. Soon I posted all the pictures that I edited in the next file. It's gonna come now. So this is the first picture that I edited with you guys. This I edited on my own because it took quite a while, but you see that sparks. Then there is also the picture that we edited together. Here I just color corrected a little and made saturation in there. They're the same, yeah. I just wanted to say not every picture that you can take turns out good, and that's okay. Like, it takes time and practice to get like a lot of good pictures, and yeah, sometimes it's just not the day for photography, and sometimes the day is just right, you know? It always depends. Yeah, thank you for watching. If you like my content, please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Yeah, see you next time. Bye!